Is Kraken still the king of crypto exchanges in 2025? It's a question a lot of you are asking, especially with the crypto landscape changing faster than ever. We've seen new competitors rise, regulations shift, and a constant evolution of features. So, in this video, we're diving deep to see if Kraken still holds its crown as the best exchange out there. When we talk about the best, what are we really looking for? Security, fees, features, and user experience, right? On the security front, Kraken has long been a leader. They've maintained a stellar track record, with no major hacks since their founding in 2011. In 2025, they continue to be highly regarded for their security measures, including a strong focus on cold storage and a transparent proof of reserves audit. But what about the cost? For a long time, Kraken was seen as the go-to for low fees, especially for advanced traders using Kraken Pro. This still holds true. While their instant buy feature has higher fees, the maker-taker fee structure on Kraken Pro remains one of the most competitive in the industry, rewarding high-volume traders with some of the lowest fees available. Now, let's talk about the competition. The crypto space is more crowded than ever. You have giants like Coinbase, which continues to be a top choice for beginners with its user-friendly interface. Then there's Binance, a powerhouse for global trading with a massive selection of altcoins and a feature-rich ecosystem. And don't forget about other specialized exchanges catering to specific needs, like decentralized platforms or those with unique reward programs. So, where does Kraken fit in? It's carved out a niche as the ideal exchange for a specific type of user, the serious trader who values security and low costs above all else. Its platform can be a bit more complex for newcomers, but it offers a wide range of features, including staking, margin trading, and a huge selection of assets. While it might not be the most beginner-friendly platform, it provides the tools that more experienced crypto investors need to succeed. So, is it the best? It depends on who you are. For a beginner, Coinbase might be a better starting point. But for those who are serious about security and maximizing their returns through low-fee trading, Kraken remains a top contender and a very strong choice in 2025. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.